Hey guys, I know we would all love to have a personal chef in the kitchen. Well, today you have one. I'm here with my friend Chef Patrick, and he is going to show us some great kitchen tips and tricks that will make your time in the kitchen so much easier.
One of the next things people think of is potatoes. Okay, people love to cut up potatoes for different things, whether you're just doing it for mashed potatoes, oven roasted potatoes, French fries. All right, they're pretty versatile. The problem with potatoes is farmers haven't grown a square one for me yet, so they do roll around. Okay? And when things roll around, you're trying to chase them on your board. So what chefs do in restaurants, we do first what's called squaring off. So by squaring off, I cut down a side, take a piece off, put that piece down flat. Now it's not going to roll around on me. It's not going to move. If I want to take the skin off this, I can peel it first. I like leaving the skin on. I think it gives a nice little flavor profile to it, adds some nutrients to it. But it's your preference on if you'd like to peel them or not. But now that I have a flat side, it makes it a lot easier if I want to make French fries, say. I can make my cuts going straight down. Now I have my nice planks. I take those planks and I can cut those into sticks. And you can get very quick and easy French fries that you can do at home. Just that quick and easy. None of these pieces get wasted. Even that little piece you cut off at the beginning. And then say if I wanted to, I said, maybe I want to make some home fries for breakfast instead. I can just take those sticks, turn them sideways for me. And you now have your cubes. So always remember when you're making those sticks, the bigger the sticks you make, the thicker they are, the thicker your cubes can end up being at the end. If you cut them really, really thin, you can't get thick cubes later on. Fortunately, there's no real way to glue them back together.
Thanks, Chef. You can get more kitchen tips from Chef Patrick right here on my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And be sure to check out more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.